Google higher. Robinhood calls back up to 18. JetBlue calls back up to 50. So JetBlue calls back to break even here. Let me go to the notes tab, remove everything. Yesterday was an ugly reversal. On the bad side, we were up 30 points. We ended up down 27. So huge reversal from the bad guys, from high to low as opposed to low to high. TPR back up to 30 cents. So we got into TPR maybe a little bit cheaper. NVIDIA on fire. RIG trading here. IQ trading here. Nothing to do with that. SIX back up 30 cents. BP higher. AMC up a buck. Really nice signal on AMC. Peloton. What's Peloton doing? I'm technically long Peloton. Oh, Peloton up 30 cents. Not really. AAL calls from yesterday, now up to 18. Banana, da-na-na. We have JetBlue calls. Those are up to 51. JetBlue was an official signal yesterday. Those are up to 51. And JetBlue. 5-minute bar closes here in a couple minutes. I don't like the rally today like I didn't like it yesterday. I would rather see us down in the morning so we could rally throughout the rest of the day. I don't really like days where we gap higher, up higher. I'd rather us be down, to be completely honest. But I still think we're going to get more follow through. Let's go see where the VIX is at. Boeing got a huge contract from Delta. Boeing up $3. VIX down to 24.50. I've been talking about we kind of like stuck in this range here. Oil under $4.50 for the first time all year. Oil getting crushed like a bug. Futures up 38. Yesterday we were up 30. I left. We just sold out of all the day long. JetBlue calls up to 52. That's technically a winner. Meta calls are higher. PLT are up a little bit. Nothing so far today. I'm going to look at the 5-minute bar in a second. There might be some 5-minute bar longs. SIX back up to 165. So that 6 is a winner. Gap is a winner. JetBlue is a winner. Halliburton was never a signal. Oh, I have to log in. Someone tells me the scanner's not working if it's not working. There we go. There we go. Oh, Gap. Look at Gap go, guys. Wow. The Gap store, we're still in some AUG 8 calls. 100% profit would be 180. These are up to 165. We got into these at 90 cents. So Gap, we're looking for 100% profit. If you got it in the 9.5, those are good for 100% profit. Talked about the size of that order. They bought about 5,000 Gap calls. Gap is always one of those possible takeover candidates. GM higher today. We have the 40s on still at 30. They're down to 20. Do I even want to see where my good friend do I want to see where my good friend Ethereum is? Ethereum keeps going up. I'm so mad about it. 1571. Wow. 1571 in Ethereum. Futures are 42. Rip your face off rally. I think we need an old-fashioned rip your face off rally that extends for a couple weeks. Too many people are bearish, guys. Too many people are bearish. When too many people are bearish, it means the market's going up. When you hear everybody on TV talk about a recession, I hear a noise. And it is a day trade, guys. I hear a noise, and it is a day trade. We have our first day trade of the day. We have our first day trade of the day. It's going to be in Lucid, the 22.5 at 13 cents. First day trade of the day in Lucid. 22.5. 13 cents is our official day trade of the day in Lucid. Day trade by Lucid this week. 22.5 calls, 13. I think 14 is okay. I would not pay 15, 16, 17. Lucid, guys, 13 cents in Lucid. Hey, Lucy took my ball. Lucid, guys, we have a signal here in Lucid. Lucid, 22.5. If the low is in for the day, how high can Lucid get? And then we'll look at the 5-minute bars. If the low is in for the day, Lucid's got about $1.20 to the upside. Lucid can get it to 21.60. Low of the day plus the ATR. Low of the day plus the ATR can get to 21.60 here in Lucid. We have our first day trade. 5-minute bars. Apple, no signal. Amazon, no signal. Baba, no signal. Google, no signal. Meta, buy, 171.09. Meta is a buy, 171.09. I like it when there's a day where you get maybe 1, 2 signals. I don't like a day where you get like 7 signals like yesterday. Meta is a buy. Tesla, no signal. Netflix, no signal. 1 5-minute bar, 1 bull in Meta. 171.09. Meta is a buy. Meta at 171.09. Wow. It's gone down now. You can get it cheaper here, guys. 171.09. Meta is a buy. 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 You could buy stock, sell market on close. You could buy in the money call spreads. So you'd buy the 170, 172.5 call spread, or you could buy those out of the money calls. You're going to be buying the weekly 77.5 calls. Weekly 77.5 calls. 1 5-minute bar, 1 winner technically. And AAL 16s. You got to understand that every second that goes by, you're going to have time decay against it. They do have earnings on the 21st. So it's, if you want to hold those true earnings or not. Do you want to hold those through earnings or not is your question. Do you want to hold those through earnings or not is your question. Do you want to hold those through earnings? Because they do have earnings coming up. I mean, if it's only a couple $100, I never think it's the worst thing in the world. So AAL. JetBlue calls are back to break even. Futures rallying here. Meta ripping to the upside. Now it's up $1. So Meta now a winner. I buy $300 of Coinbase a day. That's my Coinbase. I buy $300 a day. Futures up 43.5. I wish the market was down this morning. Lucid up to 16. Oh yeah, guys. If you are interested in the day trade scanner, optiondocker.com. So if you got it at 13, where they hit our proprietary base day trade scanner. 16 and 20 are your targets. They did hit 16 cents. I don't know how many traded there, but 16 and 20 here, guys. So, Lucid. Target 1 hit at 16. If you got it at 13, if you got it at 14, you're going to target to be 17. So you got to do it based on what you got into it at. So, have you seen my ball, Lucy? So, target here, guys. In Lucid. Target here in Lucid at 16. If you got it at 14, your target's going to be 17. You're going to have those up 1 penny. So 1 5-minute bar so far today, 1 winner. 1 day trade so far, 1 winner. So 2 trades so far, 2 winners so far. I buy Ethereum, yeah. I'm long in Ethereum, but I am long Coinbase on a structured note. So I am long Coinbase. I don't think I do have a hedge. I'm long the D's 50, 40, 30, 1x2 put spreads. Look at 6 go, guys. 6 of 80 cents here. Target 1 and 6 is going to be 190. Target 2 and gap is going to be 180. Close to hitting some profit targets, guys. We are doing fantastic. JetBlue back up to 50. Lucid back down to 14. If you're taking Lucid, you've got to be bullish the market. If you're not bullish the market, do not take Lucid. Oh, TPR, guys, up a buck. I told you about the TPR 33s. I was telling you how much I love those at a quarter. They're up to 40 now. So TPR, guys. TPR. If you're in TPR, great trading. 6 Flags Break America. We go back to the Meta signal. Meta was a buy, 171.09. 3 ways to trade it. Buy stock, sell, market on close. Buy in the money call spread. You're buying the 170, 172.5 call spread. Or you can buy those weekly 77.5 calls. Meta is the only long on the 5. Meta is the only long on the 5. Meta is the only long on the 5. So 1 day trade, 1 5-minute bar. That's all we got. Lucid back down to 13. Canoe back higher. This is it. August 6th is 70.80. We had IBM after the bell yesterday. IBM was weak. We had IBM after the bell yesterday. IBM was weak, down $10. Is ARKK? No, ARKK is up. I don't know why it says I'm down money on it. Dow Chemical, wow. They were buying some calls in Dow yesterday. Look at Dow Chemical, guys. I don't know which scanner those hit. They were hit towards the end of the day. The great thing about the scanners, a lot of them will go all day long. So, Dow Chemical hit our moonshots at 44. 100% profit overnight, guys. 100% profit overnight. Dow Chemical, they're buying the 44.5s. Dow Chemical, they're buying the 44.5s. 100% profit overnight in DOW. On your moonshot scanner. There's a lot of signals that hit the tape yesterday. Little bit of weakness. A little bit of weakness. How's Freeport doing? Freeport up, 36 cents. Axe up 36 cents. Pinterest now down in the day. Lucid down to 12. 4,000 Lucid calls being bought here. So we're always looking for volume to be greater than open interest. Volume, how many options traded today? Open interest are how many exists before today. So we always want volume to be greater than open interest. Volume to be greater than open interest. If I only see one signal today, that's Lucid. That's a day trade. SPY 394s. I don't watch SPY for unusual option activity. 394s. 52,000 those trade here. It's a lot. At the money straddles a little bit less than that, so. JetBlue to 845. AAL calls got up to 18. I always say it's like, and trade a winner, man, is where you get it. Anywhere you get out. I am in Chicago for one more week. A week from tomorrow, I go to my last call. We talked about lucid calls and a 5-minute bar long in meta. Everything's always in the notes tab too, guys. So you ever go to the notes tab, everything's in the notes tab. So I am going to Saratoga a week from tomorrow. So I go to Saratoga a week from tomorrow. Or Albany, I guess I fly to. HITI, Jan 2.5, 52-week low. So I go to Saratoga a week from tomorrow. I'm not sure what the question is with my overnight call. Oh, Dow Chemical, 52.5 were bought on Moonshot Scanner. Dow Chemical is 52.5 were bought on Moonshot Scanner. Ooh, I'm trying to get this flight right here to Albany. It's $483. Ew. I keep checking it every day. Kayak has something where you can, this is actually kind of cool. Kayak has something where you can freeze a price. I was thinking about doing that. I think it was a bad deal. This is like it's like an option, right? I could freeze the flight for $23. That was pretty cool. NAT 3's trading here. NAT OCK 3's, guys. They're hitting option hacker. NAT OCK 3's. I only traded 500,000 shares. Trading at 25 cents an NAT, guys. NAT OCK 3's trading 20 cents. NAT OCK 3's trading 20 cents as the smallest, tiniest little ATR ever. So option hacker flags buyer of NAT 10. Let's get the exact date of it. 10/21, 2022. 3 calls for 20 cents. ATR is 4 cents, guys. ATR is 4 cents. Average true range is 4 cents. As you guys know, I don't like ATRs of that small. With an ATR 4 cents, so NAT, guys, NAT. I don't even know the dividend on it. But Kayak has this cool thing where you can, so I want to leave at nonstop. Where's time? Time is on your side. I have to make sure I run the trading room. Ooh, 319 now. Is this Wednesday? It is Wednesday. This went down in price. 319 is actually pretty good. 319 is actually pretty good here. How much is first class? I'm like, if it's first class for 400, I'm buying it. I put NAT. I just put in here, and I put in the notes tab. NAT. I just put in here, and I put in the notes tab, guys. NAT. I just put it in here, and the notes tab. Oh, first class went down to 800. It's not worth $500 to go first class for 2 hours. Unfortunately, it's not. Is there a business? To Albany? But I have to go at a specific time because I have to run the trading room. Lose it down to 10 cents. I can't miss the trading room. I might actually take 1 day off in August. I will be in Colombia. No, I'm not taking. I'm taking nonstop. It's 800 first class. TMO. The 580 is being bought here. 580s and TMO. TMO 580 is being bought. They do have earnings, guys, so I think TMO to the long side if you want to play for earnings. They just bought 1,700 of the TMO 580s. They do have 1,700 of the TMO 580s for $3. You can buy like the 580, 590 call spread, around like 70 cents. I don't think that's terrible. About the 580, 590 call spread in TMO. 6, we need up about another 20 cents. Gap, we need up about 20 more cents. 6 calls up to 170. We call those out at 130, so that's a nice little winner here. TMO. So we have one day trade, one 5-minute bar, 5-minute bar winner, day trade loser, and then technically NAT is a winner, but I wouldn't have taken it. 20, 30. So you gotta always look at the offer size. Thank you. You gotta look at the offer size. So we can see here the offer size on these is 3,229. If there's 3,200 to offer there, that's not the kind of trade we want. We want stuff that's not like that wide. And if you guys want your free bonus trade for today, you can get it at right here, guys. So you want a free bonus trade, I will send that out later today. Free bonus trade, guys. Free bonus trade. A free bonus trade. Free bonus trade. Stuck in a range, don't know what to do. 5-minute bar. So a 5-minute bar is a bull 5-minute bar above the Ichimoku cloud. We've looked at historical data of it. We can't call it back testing. And on these 7 stocks, if we get a bull 5-minute bar, the stock will go higher between now and the close. We don't care what it does during the day. Between now and the close, it will go higher. So we had one today. So 5-minute bar, no pre-market data, bull 5-minute bar above the cloud. You buy it, and then you sell it at the end of the day. So Facebook is a buy. Right now it is a loser, but can flip to any point in time to a winner. Because all we care about is what it does at the end of the day. All we care about is what do we do at the end of the day. So it's a bull 5-minute bar above the cloud. Friday, yes. So we've just looked at historical data. Intraday, so it's a day trade. If you don't like the day trade, don't take it. Zillow. Oh, Zillow. I've got a structured note in Zillow. Zillow, FEZ trading here. Nothing to do in that one. We do have bonus trading today, guys. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm lost here. I don't understand how to start or what he's talking about. So a lot of it is just, kind of me talking about the markets. But the only thing that's important is you look at the scanner here on the left. Scanner on the left finds buyers of options in the market. Okay, so all we're looking for is calls and puts being bought in the market. Big orders. Talking 1,000 options, 2,000 options, 5,000 options. Then we mimic and take the same position as them. That's all it is, guys. So we just take the same position as the institution. If you want, you can just take official signals. Okay, we have not had an official signal yet today. Oh, look at GM coming back to life. The 40s are back to 21. We've had official signals in 6 last week. Gap last week. 6 is good for almost 50% profit. Gap's good for almost 100% profit. Some people like to take official signals. Some people like to kind of do their own analysis. I give you what's trading. What you choose to do with that is you're on your own. So someone was buying the Lucid 22.5s. Talked about those at 12 cents. It's expired this week. It's known as a day trade. If you don't want a day trade, don't have to take that trade. BITO trading here, nothing to do with that one. iTub, nothing to do with that one. Oh, Lucid 22.5, guys. Now they're getting them aggressively. I'm calling an official signal, guys. Lucid 22.5, 11 cents. Lucid 22.5 at 11 cents. I'm calling an official signal here, guys. And Lucid, they bought a couple thousand more. Lucid 22.5, 11 cents. Targets 15 and 20. Lucid official signal. Buy Lucid weekly 22.5 calls for 11 cents. Targets 16 and 20. We're calling out an official signal in Lucid. You get all week for 11 cents, guys. Official signal here in Lucid. Since it's weeklies, it's going to have higher risk. Lucid, oh, 11.12. Come on, Lucid, let's go. Lucid, guys, they just bought another 6,000 Lucid calls. They hit our proprietary base option penny spike scanner, guys. Penny spike scanner, guys. This is an official signal. I saw it hit twice. They're too cheap to say no. We made money in Lucid before. We're getting them for 11 cents. That is our official signal in Lucid. So Lucid official signal. See, now if Meta goes up another 10 cents, that is now flipped from a loser to a winner. Because the buy was 171.09. Lucy, let's go. They're up to 12 cents. Lucid, the 22.5 ATR of $1.32 a day. If Lucid goes up 80 cents, these things are going to double in value. So reward to risk. I do like this trade here, guys, in Lucid. I like this trade here in Lucid. Oh, 13 cents. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. You can trade any platform you want. Any platform you want. This is just Thinkorswim, but Robinhood, TradeStation, Lightspeed. It doesn't matter what platform you use. Lucid, 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 Lucid. In the yellow submarine. Just take out the highs. Just rally 30 more cents here. If we go to a delta here, the delta of these is 14 and a gamma of 12. So if it rallies a buck, these will go up to, if it rallies a buck, these things will go up to 35 cents. Futures on the highs. Meta has now flipped to a winner. So we talked about Meta being a buy, 171.09. One day trade winner. One penny spike winner, one official signal winner, one 5-minute bar winner, and then option hacker. It's been basically unchanged here. NAT threes. Yeah, I think every session is recording, so if you want to watch every session back, we don't like edit them, or like if I make a losing trade or say something stupid, we don't like edit that out. My opinion, this is the best trading room in the world. I've been running the room for like 11 years. So it's not like, oh, let's come up with a product. Oh, the trading room sounds good. No, I've been doing this. I know how to trade. I've been trading for 20. Oh my God, don't say it, AK. I've been trading for 21 years. And I'm really a derivative specialist. Like, I don't really trade anything. I mean, you could say I trade. I don't trade cryptos. I buy cryptos. I'm a young little boy. Come on, Lucy, get a bit. Let's get these things up. 1976. I think it puts got announced in. When did puts get announced? When did Cboe launch puts? I think it's 78, maybe. Well, if you're trading through Robinhood, commission's 0. Basically, like Thinkorswim will screenshot your account. LI 41 and a half, 40 and a half, and LI small. Thinkorswim will like screenshot your account. They'll see how much money you have. They see how much you trade, and then basically they will give you a price of how much you trade per option. I'm under 50 cents, but I trade a lot. I haven't traded in a long time. I go through like ebb and flows. Like, I'll trade a lot, and I'll get bored, and I won't trade. I'll make like 10 grand in like an hour, and then I won't trade for a little while. I haven't taken a trade in a long time. These are trades that I send you guys I can't take, because that would be known as front running. So even if I wanted to buy like 200 of these Lucid calls at 11 cents, I can't technically buy them. I would have bought 200 at least. I might have bought 500. What's 5 grand of risk among friends? Uber is down today. That's right. I did like the Uber signal. And just because AK likes the signal doesn't mean it's going to be a profitable trade. I'm going to call a lot of trades that are losers. Just hopefully there's more winners than losers. Meta now a winner. Futures now on the highs. Lucid 12.13. I don't know if I'm considered a professional trader. I don't know the definition. So don't quote me on that.
Flowers right out there. Look at that. Hummingbird going to work. Let's have a good day. Earnings season.
So not many signals today. Yesterday we had a ton of signals.
I go look for.
Yesterday we had a lot.
Are you struggling to find your balance?
And I think we've sold off so much. I think a rip your face off rally is in the cards here. I get so many spam junk emails. Housing prices in Scottsdale's going down, just in case anybody wanted to know. Lucid 12 cents still, 12.13. DraftKings up 60 cents. When does DraftKings have earnings? August 5th. When does Peloton have earnings, or lack thereof? Peloton earnings August 25th. Do we only see Trade Alert in this room? Yes. You only see Trade Alert in this room unless you pay for it. And I'll be completely honest, it is not cheap. Futures down 8 points with the highs. Lucid, you can get it 10 cents now. 48-hour spike has been really good. There's been some nice trades lately. 48-hour spike. So every scanner is going to produce a different amount of trades throughout the course of the day. 48-hour spike produces about, we do have a 48-hour spike as we talk about that in SQ. So buyers of SQ next week 68s, guys. Square next week 68s being bought. We have a buyer. They bought them at 260 actually here. So 48-hour spike. Buyer of SQ. 68 calls for 260 they actually paid. So you can get these cheaper if you want them, guys. Square on the 48-hour spike. Square on the 48-hour spike. And if you're new to the room, I have a general idea of how much you paid, and I'll be completely honest. This is the lowest price we've ever offered. People don't give this kind of value of what I give every single day, live audio, and we're going to get visual soon for the price. It's just unheard of. Because most people, like, the old tradition is like you get a trade once a week. Most people can't do what I can do. My brain just I just think differently, you know. So this is really exciting that you're here with us to celebrate this kind of thing. Schwab, those SA Schwabs, I wouldn't take them. They're too far out of the money. Mara. You see another day trade. These are in Mara, guys. Lucid on it, 9 cents. Mara, 11s. Day trade in Mara, guys. This is linked to Bitcoin and cryptos, though. This is linked to Bitcoin and cryptos. Hood got up to 24. Yeah, the price point is a joke. Like, I would have charged. I mean, I know some of you paid, like, thousands and thousands of dollars. Like, some people have paid, like, $10,000 to be in the room. So we have a day trade. Buyer of Mara. Only take this if you're bullish on crypto today, guys. The 11 calls for 50. Targets 62 and 74. It's okay. My dad is I think my dad's in the room today. He's 73. He comes to the room every day. So we have a day trade here in Mara, guys. Day trade here in Mara. M-A-R-A. Mara on the day trade, guys. Mara on the day trade. 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 Hood. Well, Hood calls hit yesterday at 20. They went up to 24. Now they're back to 16. Now they're 17. It was not an official signal. Lucid, you can get in at a penny cheaper. So Lucid, you can get in at 10 cents. So Hood 9s were bought. I mean, they're only 20 cents out of the money. If you look at the ATR average true range, the Metastock is a loser. Again, normally how long is the wait list? If you put your email in here, I might be able to surpass it. If you put your email out for the 48-hour spike, maybe I'll do you a favor. Lucid ATR of $1.32 a day. So Mara is a day trade. Lucid day trade penny spike. Square 48-hour spike. Meta 5-minute bar. A little bit of weakness here in some stocks. Bonus trading today, guys. And if you want a free bonus trade, you can go to this link here. We'll give you a free bonus trade. I'll tell them that to call you Arun. Arun. Yeah, there's no guarantee of any stocks being profitable. Bonus trade right there. Lucid calls 10, 11 here still. Mara 11's trading 50. Dow calls 100% profit overnight. 45 minutes into the day, we go through the trades of the day and what is hit. Winners and losers.
When we're talking about the metaverse
Yeah, nothing's guaranteed, but there is a reason that I've been doing this for so long. And my track record, I'll tell you, has been really good. Yeah, you can always paper trade. I say it's not bad to paper trade first. 6. Look at 6 go. So this is a trade we recommended at 6. 190 is going to be our first profit target. So the 6 AUG 22.5 are up to 180. We got in at 130. So that's a nice profitable trade. Gap. Gave a recommendation of Gap on the August 26th. The 8 calls. Final target's 180. So we're just waiting for those to hit. So we have a couple that, like, if we just rally a little bit more, we will hit profit targets. Lucid back up to 12. So you got Lucid at 10. I don't know the guarantee. I think the guarantee is, like, if you want your money back after a month, we'll give you your money back. We don't really care. But then you don't get any AK time. Trust me, you want AK time. Something's hitting the tape here. What do we see hitting the tape? More Google. Wow, futures bid. Oh, losing up to 13. Google at 112 is being bought, guys. Google on the 48-hour spike. Google 112 is being bought. Google 112 is being bought. 48-hour spike. Buyer of Google this week. So Google calls being bought, guys, on a 48-hour spike. Lucid up to 14. Almost about to hit profit target number 1 in Lucid. Lucid about to hit profit target number 1, guys. And you could have got those at 9 cents. If you got them at 9, you're at 50% profit. Come on, Lucid. Make me a believer. They're up to 15,000 Lucid calls. 11 cents. So now we see Google calls on the 48-hour spike. 48-hour spike is exactly what it is. You hold them for 48 hours, which means it's a 2-day trade. Okay, let me stop this recording, get the new one going.